So I'm back with another video today, guys. I will be installing this Nadula water wave headband wig. They gave me, it came with some lashes, and I also received 2 headbands. So I received that one. I received another headband, it's inside the wig, and I also received a wig cap, you guys. So this is what the wig looks like. It is 10 inches. And it is human hair. It is not synthetic. I mean, the curls are absolutely amazing. The hair is really soft. This is what the inside of the wig looks like. It has 3 clips at the front, and it has a clip at the back, and also it has adjustable straps at the back, you guys. The hair does not have much shedding at all. Like, it has minimum shedding. So that's the clip at the back and the adjustable straps at the back of the wig, you guys. So I already laid my edges. I didn't do too much because I'm not a huge fan of all the swirly you know, at the front of your hair. I'm not a huge fan of that. I like when my baby hair looks very natural. So I mean, the wig, it's very easy to install. Okay, you just put it on. It already has the band at the front, and at the back it has the velcro at the back of the band on the wig. So all I have to do is just attach it at the back, you guys, and I mean, I am ready to go. Like, as I said before, this wig is very easy to install. Like, I mean, look at it. It's simple, easy to install, and I mean, it just has this cute chic look. I'm trying to decide which headband I should put on first, so I decided to go with this leopard print band first. I mean, it matches my top, and this is what it looks like, you guys. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys will be purchasing. I'll leave all their information in the description bar below. It's Nadula Hair, that's the name of the company, you guys, and they are on Amazon. As I've mentioned before, I'll leave all their details in the description bar below, you guys. And this is the other band that the wig came with. Let me know what you guys think. So that's it. That's all for now, you guys. Stay blessed, keep motivated. Thanks for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. And don't forget to like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment in the comment section below. Let me know what other videos you guys would like to see. Bye.